I'm Andy, the incorporation attorney. Thanks a lot for watching. So you finally decided to form your professional corporation. You're all excited to get your practice started. And so one of the first things you need to prepare are the articles of incorporation. And of course, the articles of incorporation cannot be drafted until the name is chosen for your corporation. Now, if we were talking about a general stock corporation, the choice of name is pretty much up to you. As long as the name is not likely to mislead the public or to resemble too closely some other corporate name already on file with the state. The name selected generally may not include words such as bank or trustee, industrial loan, investment and loan, thrift, or the words cooperative or Olympic or Olympia. In general stock corporations, the name selected need not include the words that indicate corporate designation, such as Inc. or Corp. Or limited or other words indicating corporate status. However, special name style rules apply to the name chosen for a professional corporation. The name requirements are regulated by the California Corporations Code, the Business and Professions Code, the California Code of Regulations, and finally the state regulatory agency that issues the license in a particular profession. All of these sources must be checked to make sure that the particular corporate name selected will satisfy the various requirements of the code and agency rules. I cannot tell you how many clients we run across that have been forced to redraft all of their corporate formation documents simply because they did not follow the name style rules of their particular profession. Now, here's something that you need to know and need to remember, really. Most state regulatory agencies take the position that it is unprofessional conduct not to follow the particular name style rules for a profession. And unfortunately, it's not a defense to the accusation brought against you by a regulatory agency to say, hey, I've seen other people do that. It's like if you were stopped by a highway patrol officer for speeding. It's your professional license. It does not matter what the other people are doing when you're the person who's caught not following the rules, right? So what are the name style rules of a professional medical corporation? The name of a professional medical corporation is restricted to the name or surname of one or more of the present, prospective, or former shareholders who are physicians or podiatrists, as the case may be, for a medical or podiatry corporation, along with the wording or abbreviations denoting corporate existence. Now, as you recall, that's different than a general stock corporation, so it's important to make sure that you've got that corporate designation. A professional corporation with a majority of physicians and surgeons as shareholders, officers, and directors shall not use the designations Podiatry Corporation or Podiatry Corp. A professional corporation with a majority of podiatrists as shareholders, officers, and directors shall not use the designation Medical Corporation or Medical Corp. So what if you want to do something different? Can you do that? The answer is yes, you can. When you want to use any fictitious, false, or assumed name, or any name other than the name or surname of one or more of the present, prospective, or former shareholders, or any other words or names in addition to those of the shareholders, you must obtain a fictitious name permit from the California Medical Board. This is not the same as the fictitious name or DBA that you would obtain from your local county government. Those are two very distinctly different things, and a lot of people make that mistake. So let's do a quick review. If only the name or surname, that's the last name of a physician or podiatrist is used, followed by medical doctor or MD, podiatrist or doctor of podiatric medicine or DPM, medical corporation or medical corp, podiatry corporation or podiatry corp, professional corporation and its abbreviation Prof Corp, corporation and its abbreviation Corp, incorporated or its abbreviation Inc., you do not need a fictitious name permit. Let's look at some examples. Fred Flintstone Medical Corporation or Fred Flintstone MD Inc. would not require a fictitious name permit as long as Fred Flintstone matches the legal name on the physician's medical license. Getting lost in the minutia of name style rules for professional corporations is just one of the 49 different ways that you can get tangled up on the formation of your professional corporation if you try to tackle it yourself. I would strongly urge you to retain the services of a corporate attorney specializing in the formation of professional corporations to make sure that you get this correct. I hope this information helps you get your new practice started on the right foot. I'm Andy, the incorporation attorney, and thanks a lot for watching.